At Easy Clinic, we personalize every Pico Laser treatment, whether it's uneven skin tone, scars, or sun damage. We'll tailor the treatment settings to suit your unique skin type and concern. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Edmond from Easy Skin Laser Aesthetic Clinic in Penang. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about a popular treatment that is helping people achieve brighter and clear skin, the Pico Laser Treatment. If you are curious about how this technology works and whether it is right for you, keep watching. Pico Laser, like the Pico Plus system we use here in Easy Clinic, is one of the most advanced laser technology available today. It is known for its ability to treat a wide range of skin conditions with minimal downtime. So, what exactly can Pico Laser do? Firstly, Pico Laser is designed for pigmentation removal. When operated by an experienced doctor, it can effectively target stubborn pigmentations like melasma, freckles, and age spots. For those with unwanted tattoo, Pico Laser is the gold standard for tattoo removal. Besides tattoo on the body, Pico Laser is also very useful to remove eyelids and eyebrow embroidery. In addition, Pico Plus is also a good system to remove black birthmarks like otar nevus or hoary nevus. Besides pigmentation problem, the Pico Plus laser is also good for treatment of acne scars. Pico Plus lasers is able to generate the LIOB effects on the skin, creating new collagen beneath the skin and hence smoothen out acne scars. For those with dull skin tones, Pico Laser treatment can also rejuvenate the skin. Many of my patients love the brightening effect from this treatment, and they often perform Pico Laser rejuvenation treatment every month. The magic behind Pico Laser lies in its ultra-short picosecond pulses. These pulses deliver energy in trillions of a second, breaking pigment particles into tiny fragments that our body can naturally eliminate. Compared to the traditional laser such as the CO2 laser and the Q-switch laser system, the Pico Laser system generates less heat to the skin and hence less side effects. It is also less painful compared to the traditional CO2 laser and the Q-switch laser. At Easy Clinic, we personalize every Pico Laser treatment, whether it's uneven skin tone, scars, or sun damage. We'll tailor the treatment settings to suit your unique skin type and concern. Another reason people love Pico Laser is the minimal downtime. For pigmentation treatment with Pico Plus laser, you can expect some mild redness after the treatment, but it usually subsides within a few hours. Most patients can resume their daily activities immediately. As for acne scars treatment, you may need 4 to 5 days to recover from the redness. However, most patients can resume their daily activities the day after the procedure. If you'd like to know more, about Pico Plus Laser, you can book a consultation with me. Feel free to reach out to us at Easy Skin Laser Aesthetic Clinic, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our updates on aesthetic treatments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.